Haley Whitten is telling us about Amazon Prime, which is beginning or set to be beginning its streaming service in Canada today.
That's right. Amazon Prime Video has officially launched in the Canadian market. The news actually broke earlier this week from the president of Bell Media, of all people, who was lamenting the fact that it's difficult for traditional broadcasters to compete with these over-the-top OTT services like Amazon Prime Video, like Netflix. It looks like most of the content library is up online and available to Canadians. You have access to that through an Amazon Prime account, which is $79 Canadian. Cheaper actually to access that than it is in the States, which runs at $99. Now, yesterday we saw Show Me close its doors. It was its last day. A bit symbolic, I think, when we're talking about the challenges facing broadcasters. A Canadian competitor in the OTT space closed, and we're seeing a massive American player in this space finally launch in the Canadian market.
All right, and I was just talking about the price of oil this morning, sitting at above $50 a barrel right now. Now it's hitting quite a high this morning. How long has it been since we've seen oil sitting at this price?
The big news is that for the first time since 2008, OPEC has finally come to a consensus around an oil supply cut, and that is, of course, making the price of oil rise significantly. It's a really welcome news, frankly, to what is an oversupplied global market. The question moving forward is going to be, now that OPEC's sort of managed to balance the varying interests of its member countries, whether all of those countries actually follow through with any of the cuts or quotas they've committed to. For months, we've seen the price of oil fluctuate between the 40 to just over $50 US mark. We'll see how long that lasts, depending on what we hear out of OPEC countries.
Thank you so much for joining us with those stories.
Thank you very much.